I really believe in options. I think that's what we really need for patient care. People need to be involved in their own decision making. And I think it's important that old school point of paternalistic, where I'm making the decisions, I'm the doctor, those days are gone. I really believe that once presented with options, what may work for one person doesn't work for the other person. And it's important for me to gauge that and understand that from the person sitting across from me. You may come to me with a certain problem like arthritis, but you may choose a different option based on your life and your ability and your social situation than somebody else. And it's important for us to be able to differentiate that. And that's why I use my ability to guide you through that process and hopefully get to a point where you're happy with the decisions you make.